गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हमारा चैप्टर है वायरस। इंट्रोडक्शन हमने कर लिया था, टाइप ऑफ वायरस हमने कर लिए थे, ठीक है। फाइल वायरस, मैक्रो, कंपेनियन, क्लस्टर, बैच फाइल वायरस, ओके, एंड सोर्स कोड वायरस, विजुअल बेसिक वर्ब। अब हम करेंगे हाउ वायरस इन्फेक्ट, हाउ ठीक है। So virus are sometimes also categorized by how they infect. These categorization overlap the category above the may even be included in the description. पहला है हमारा polymorphic, ठीक है, polymorphic virus। Viruses that change their category, their character are they infect polymorphic virus change with each infection. They do this in an attempt to defeat scanner. Virus writing tool kits have been created to simplify creation of new viruses, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है स्टीलन, STEALTH। Viruses, they try to actively hide themselves from antivirus or system software. In order to infect, a virus must change something. A stealth virus take over portion of the system of effectively hidden the virus from casual examination. To better find stealth virus, we certain to call boot from a now clean write protected floppy disk and avoid using DOS command to try to fix them. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Infector. Virus and infect in a particular way to try to avoid specific antivirus software. A fast infector infect program when they are accessed, not just when run. These types of virus is designed to write on the back of antivirus scanner and scan quickly. Infect an entire disk is not found before the scan is performed. A slow infector infect program only when they are created or modified. This type of virus is designed to defeat integrity check, but can usually to be found if the checker has a scanner component or static property. Space infector, virus that don't infect very often. A wide variety of technique can be used to help a virus avoid detection of its activity. Okay, multi-party virus, virus that may fall into more than one of the top classes. Clear? Cavity, ये आपके क्या है, वायरसेस के टाइप्स है और हाउ वायरस इन्फेक्ट। हार्डवेयर 3, हार्डवेयर इज अ कॉमन कॉज ऑफ डेथ data problem, power can fail, electronics age, and in board can be installed wrong. You can mistake. There are accidents of all kinds. A repair technician can actually cause problem, and magnetic you don't know are there can damage disk. There are many different kinds of hardware read of your data. First, power fault. Second, age, equipment incompatibility, problem with the customer, engineer. सॉफ्टवेयर ट्रीट, ये तो हार्डवेयर ट्रीट एंड नेक्स्ट है सॉफ्टवेयर ट्रीट. Software treat can be general problem or an attack by one or more type of malicious program. Non-malicious software program problem can be a significant source of problem, and one should always know their computer exact configuration to be prepared. Malicious software falls into several general categories: logic, Trojan, worm, and virus. Current treat है back of horrific. Back-orific is a Trojan that provides a backdoor into your computer when active and you are connected to the internet. The original program came out in August 1998 with an update called B0 2000 later. CIX specifier. The virus is the classic that illustrates the working and danger of a space failure virus type. It was first reported in June 1999 and dubbed Charanboy by the press. Infinite file written in the portable executable Windows 95. Cuckworm KAT is a worm. It takes advantage of a security in Microsoft Internet Explorer Browse and Outlook Express mail program. KAT is transmitted enabled in the HTML signatures to a message. User don't see it there because there is no displayable text. LexerExcel become the first Microsoft Excel macro virus and opened up yet another data file to wrong about. Lexerus is a fairly simple macro virus. The original contained two macro, auto open and check file. The first tests Excel to run, the second as soon as a worksheet is open. Okay. Melissa is a combination word macro virus and email worm. It was first found on Friday 26 March 1999 and spread very rapidly around the world. Basically, when a user clicked on the DOS file attached to the email, they would run the include word macro virus. Lambda is one of the more complex virus worm constructs released. It infects files spread itself via email, spread via website, and spread via local area network explorer. It infects all versions of Windows from Windows 95 through Win 2000 as well as Microsoft IAS. Pretty Pack. This is a combination based on a password stealer, Trojan, and a backdoor. June 1999. It was active across Europe, and another outbreak was noted in March 2000. There are a number of as a worm, the best attach itself to email message as the file.exe. Antivirus software. There are a number of companies that provide antivirus software. कौन सी है? Antivirus software companies are Command Antivirus, F-Secure Antivirus, Kaspersky Antivirus, Norton Antivirus, Panda, Norman, MCAFFEA. आपकी सारी क्या है? एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनियां हैं. वर्म is able to use service provided by a modern network environment much more efficiently than a virus. A pure worm is more independent than a virus. A pure worm works by itself as an independent object. It does not need a carrier object to attach itself. Clear है? A virus reproduces usually without your permission or knowledge. A cluster virus changes the directory so the virus is run before any infected program. These worms use the Visual Basic language to control the computer and perform tasks. Polymorphic virus change with each infection. They do this in an attempt to defeat scanner. Virus writing tool kit have been created to simplify creation of new viruses. Viruses that infect in a particular way to try to avoid specific antivirus software. Clear? What is virus? Virus infect how and what? Differentiate between Trojan and worm. एंटीवायरस वायरसेस कैसे अफेक्ट करते हैं? वायरसेस होते क्या हैं? टाइप ऑफ वायरसेस. व्हाट वायरसेस इन्फेक्ट? सिस्टम, सेक्टर, फाइल वायरस, मैक्रो, कंपेनियन, क्लस्टर, बैच, सोर्स, विजुअल बेसिक. हाउ वायरस infect? Polymorphic, fast and slow, sprays, armored, multiparotite, stellar, cavity. Clear? Hardware threat, software threat क्या क्या होते हैं? करंट थ्रेट क्या होते हैं? HCIH का वॉर्म्स क्या होते हैं? एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर कौन कौन से हैं आपके? ये सारी चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए 7th क्लास. क्लियर? अब आप जो है सारे चैप्टर्स को रिवाइज करेंगे. रिवीजन बहुत ज़रूरी है और उनको जो है आपने याद करने हैं. क्लियर? रिवीजन और आपको सारे चैप्टर्स जो है वो याद करने हैं. क्लियर है?